hope you are doing great today. If you don't know me, my name is Areli, and in this video I will show you a super easy and cheap way to decorate jars for Christmas that you can use as vases, candle holders, or just by themselves to decorate spaces in your home. To make our beautiful jars, we will need jars of the sizes you prefer, Christmas decorative plants, liquid glue, twine or decorative ribbon, artificial snow, and a hot glue gun. The first thing we will do is apply the glue to our jar with the help of a brush, making the design you prefer. I decided to make lines downwards to simulate that the jar is frozen. Once the glue is in place, we take our artificial snow and sprinkle it on the jar, making sure to cover all the spaces with glue, and you can press the snow gently to secure it well and touch up any empty spaces. Once it's covered, we let it dry completely and then we proceed to decorate our jar. I will use a little twine to give it a more rustic touch, but you can also use ribbon. We wrap it around the neck of the jar, secure it with hot glue, and cut the excess. And then we decorate it with pine twigs, pine cones, and Christmas berries to give it color, and our frosty jar is ready. This idea looks super cute if you put a candle inside. You can also use it as a vase for your Christmas plants or simply arrange it in spaces of your home as a decoration. I hope you like this fast and beautiful idea. Don't forget to give it a like, share it, and subscribe so you don't miss any of the future videos of this season. As always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you very soon.